Anywhere you say, anywhere you say, anywhere.
So guys, we are still we are still on the Gotthard tunnel, and I didn't take record of the kilometer, how many kilometers we are in. The car doesn't have power. You want to take some energy out from it again. So we are on it, and we are not over yet. We are still inside the Gotthard tunnel. Right now I cannot tell you if we are still in the territory of Switzerland or Italian territory. We are still Switzerland, okay. Chiasso. Okay. But something happened. I really just enjoyed the Italian radio I heard. Oh, still 3 kilometers, guys. Okay, still 3 kilometers and we are out. The tunnel still have like 2 kilometers left, guys. It's interesting, but in here it's very loud. It's very loud. Begin to wonder, begin to wonder those that their job, permanent job, is road construction. I do see some of them sometimes have ear headphone. This headphone, the big one, yeah, but I think it's a bit difficult to understand how they cope, because they permanently stay, their job is permanently on this sound. The cars driving have huge, enormous, annoying sound, loud sound, and their engines, their instruments, their machines also have this enormous sound. So I don't know how often they go to the doctor for checkup, because just this few kilometers I decided to listen to the outer sound. I tell you guys, it's not fun. It's really annoying. It's annoying. But it's beautiful. Like, we have 500 meters and so to go, because it was barely 2 kilometers and we have 1 kilometer off already. And it means we are about to exit the Gotthard tunnel. Guys, this is awesome. Strada, but the Strada is on the highway. I think the best person to really ask how often does he go for doctor's check, ear check? Because almost every day he's on the highway. So yes, I have to ask him. San Gotthard. Guys, that sound was just coming from these machines that we're talking about. How on earth they tolerate such sound on their ears?
Anywhere you say,